Most people can feel something shifting right now, even if they can't explain it. You see, AI is moving faster than anything that we've ever seen. Industries are rewriting themselves. Skill sets are becoming outdated in months and not decades. And the way people can create value and get paid for it is changing underneath their feet. If you're watching this video right now, it's probably because a part of you knows that you can't keep doing business this way, which is the old way. You can't rely on effort, can't rely on being the hardest worker in the room. You can't rely on the same systems that got you to this level. And I know you're smart enough to realize what's about to happen. And just maybe you haven't known what to do about it just yet. And that's what this video is for. Now, this isn't a prediction. This isn't a video about tech hype. This is a practical, grounded breakdown on how you can use AI and how AI is transferring the business landscape right now and the exact steps that you can follow to put yourself on the right side of the shift. Because here's the truth. AI won't replace entrepreneurs. AI replaces the version of entrepreneurs who refuse to evolve. Over the last decade, I've helped over 1,200 experts, coaches, and consultants, agency owners, and seasoned professionals to install systems that gave them more money, more time, and more control than they've ever had in their career. I've watched people stuck at 15 to 25K a month jump to 40, 50, even 100K per month. Not because they worked harder, but because they finally used AI the right way. You see, my clients have generated over $100 million in sales using these exact same systems. And that's why today I'm going to walk you through the 8 steps that I'm personally following to take advantage of this moment and the steps that can help you to build real wealth with AI, even if you're starting from zero, even if you're not technical, and even if you feel like you're already left behind. And by the end of this video, here's what you'll know. You'll know which industries will explode because of AI, which models will give you leverage instead of work. You'll know how to pick the right customer so that you never, ever, ever have to chase leads again. You'll also learn how to build an offer that prints cash instead of draining you. You'll learn how to sell before you build, the rule that every AI founder must follow, and the difference between short-term income and long-term ownership. This is not theory. It's the exact blueprint that I'm using to build the next chapter in my business, and the same blueprint that my clients are using to build the next chapter of their lives. So if you've ever felt the pressure to evolve, if you've been waiting for clarity, if you've been asking, where do I even start? This is the starting point. So let's get into it. Now, step number 1, know the 2 types of AI businesses. First, you need to understand something very, very, very important. There are 2 types of AI businesses. Type 1 uses AI to do all of the work. You see, you're still the person doing everything, and you use AI as the tool, but you do the work for the clients. You manage everything, you handle all the problems, you make sure everything is working properly. And this AI tool makes you more money than you've ever made before, but you still trade time for money. And then there's type 2, which uses AI to create freedom. You see, you don't do the work yourself. You build the systems, the infrastructure, you guide the plan, and AI does the work. And the client team does the support and fulfillment. You see, you meet with the client twice a month. One client takes 2 hours a week, not 20. And most people build type 1 without even knowing it. They think the AI business means freedom, but it doesn't. Not always. You see, the business model is what creates freedom, not the tool. So step 1 is very, very simple. Decide which type of AI business that you want. And if you already work a lot and you don't have free time, then you already know you need type 2. And that's an AI consulting business, not AI doing everything, right? So step 2 is you want to pick the right industry, because not all industries are the same for AI. You want industries where 3 things are always true. 1, businesses have money to spend. 2, they really need help right now. And 3, AI creates results fast that they can see. Here are some of the best industries today. Professional services, law firms, accounting firms, consulting firms. They pay people a lot of money to do the same tasks over and over and over again. And AI can replace people that are making 50 to 80K per year. Healthcare, doctor offices, dental offices, clinics, they have so much paperwork to do. Scheduling, billing, talking to patients, and AI now today can do all of that. Even real estate agencies, property managers, they need help with leads, following up, keeping track of deals, talking to clients. AI can handle all of this. Even B2B services, marketing agencies like you, recruiting companies, financial advisors, they need help with their sales pipeline, managing the systems, staying in touch with clients. So pick one industry and don't try to help everybody. You see, when you focus on one, you become an expert. Your posts get specific, your examples get powerful, your prices can go up. Now, step 3 is you want to pick the right customer. And this is where most people mess up 90% of the time. They think that anyone who needs help is a good customer, but that's too wide. Here's what you want to do instead. You want customers who already see the problem. They know they need AI and they don't know how to use it. They have the money, $5,000, $10,000, $100,000 a month, and it's not too much for them. They make the decisions and you talk to the owner or the boss, not some middle person. They also care about results, not how to do it. They just want the work done. And for most people watching this, the customer is you 5 years ago. Somebody making $100,000 to $300,000 a year, but they're stuck. And that's who you help, your younger self, because you understand their problems better than anybody else because you've actually lived it. All right, so let's move on to step 4, which is build the right offer. And the reason why this is important is because your offer decides everything. Now, before we talk about what works, here's what doesn't work. I'll build you a chatbot for $2,000. Wrong. That's just a task, not a change. Now, here's what does work. I'll install an AI-powered system that replaces your $80K a year worker and saves you 20 hours every single week. It runs all day and all night without making mistakes for $7,000 a month. Now, that is real change, and the plan is simple. 1, you say the problem clearly. 2, you show what it costs them if they don't fix it. 3, you show your system as the unequivocal answer to their problem. And then 4, you charge them every single month, not one time. Recurring revenue is the secret sauce to growth. And why every month? Because businesses pay for ongoing value, not one-time setups. A $10,000 one-time project feels expensive, but a $2K, $3K, even $5K every single month feels like a deal because it's saving them $15,000 every single month and it feels cheap. And that's the difference. Step number 5, which is the most important, sell before you build. Now, this is one of the most important rules. If not, this is the most important rule. So make sure you listen up. Don't build anything until somebody pays you. And here's why. Here's what most people do. They spend 6 months building something that nobody actually wants. And then after 6 months, then they try to sell it, and only to realize that nobody cares. So you got to do it backwards. You got to talk to the people first. You got to find out what they really need and then sell them the result. Then you build a system to deliver it and fulfill on it and give it to them. And this is how I scaled my agency to $550K a month. I didn't build everything first. I sold consulting, and then I used that money to build the systems that gave me the freedom. So sell first and build second. Step number 6 is build the personal brand funnel. If you want clients without cold messaging, ads, you need only one thing, and that's content that shows you as an expert. And here's how this works. Step 1, make content that shows that you have the knowledge. Step 2 is post on LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, share ideas, share tips, share what you know, and share examples. You see, AI helps you make 10 times more content in 1/10 of the time. You can record one video and AI can turn it into 20 posts. Step 2 is people will see your content and then they'll start to trust you, because you see, people don't know you yet, so they don't trust you. But when they see that you understand their problems, they'll start to believe and trust that you can help them. And then step 3 is they message you. So now look what happens. No cold calls, no ads. The clients actually come to you. And then step 4, which is probably most important, is you talk with them. And there's no hard sales pitch, just a helpful talk. And you find out their problem and you show them that AI fixes it. Step 5, they become a customer. You see, content builds trust. Trust creates talks, and talks create customers. And that's the whole system. So now let's move on to step number 7, which is build for freedom and not just for money. And here's the difference between short-term money and long-term wealth. Short-term money means you do the work, you get paid, you stop working, the money stops. But long-term wealth means you build systems and you own the setup, and the system does the work without you, and the money keeps coming in. You see, here's what I want you to understand. Most businesses are short-term money pretending to be freedom. You do all the work, you manage all the clients, you are the bottleneck, my friend. You are the problem, because real freedom looks exactly like this. You meet with the clients twice a month, you guide them with the plan, AI does the work, their team does the setup, and you watch the progress and the success pour in. One client takes 2 hours a week, not 20. And that's how you work with 10 clients and still have 30 free hours every single week. week. So you build for freedom from day one. And most people mess this up. Now, step 8, last but not least, is you want to make your position last. And here's what most people miss, and quite frankly, they just don't understand. You see, AI skills don't last forever. The tools that you learn today will be old ones in 2 years because the world is changing faster than ever. So don't build your business on AI tools. Build it on something that never changes. And those things that never change are like business planning, finding problems, building relationships. These are the skills that last forever. And AI consulting works because you're not selling a ChatGPT setup. You're selling business growth using AI as the tool. And when the tools change, you change with them. But what you do stays the same. You're the AI consultant who helps businesses scale and grow leveraging AI. And that, my friend, lasts forever. So now that you know exactly what to do, those are the 8 steps, and these aren't just ideas. They're what I use to scale from 200K a month with 15 people to scale to over 550K with only 5 people. And they're what my 1,200 clients use to build AI consulting agencies making 10, 20, 50, even 100K per month. And so if you want help doing this, I created something, the Consultant Accelerator, and it's made for corporate workers, consultants, and experts who want to build AI consulting businesses. And we show you how to package what you know, how to build your content system, how to turn talks into paying clients, and how to deliver the results leveraging AI. And this is the exact same system that my clients use. So if you want more help or if you want to learn more, click the link in the description, watch a short video, and book a call. And we'll show you exactly how to build this for your exact situation. Now, here's what I want you to understand. The change is happening right now. The only question is, will you be on the right side of it?